Hey guys, and today I'm so excited to go to the offline store, Xiaomi store, and bring you the Redmi K70 purple color. And this is a unique color only for Xiaomi K70. And this time for the K50 series, they have K70E, the most basic one, and the middle one K70, and the highest one K70 Pro. And here is a purple color Redmi K70. As you can see, this time they have a very simple design, and also this is the first time the Redmi smartphone they powered by HyperOS, only work with OS by Xiaomi company. And here is more specification about this device. For the Redmi K70 is used a 6.67-inch 2K screen, and it's called PWM light brightness adjustment. 3480 Hz peak brightness switch to 4000. Also they use the Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 processor. Now about the dimensions, this time the length about this device is 168.0.86 and the width 74.95 and the thickness 8.21. Here is another color, the green color, and this time they have 4 colors, the white, black and green and the purple. And as I mentioned, the purple is the most unique one, only for K70. And also as we can see, the back panel is used a shining glass, and the green color looks very simple and fresh. And also camera, this time they use the triple rear camera system. 50 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel wide angle, and 2 megapixel macro lens, and the main camera is support aperture 1.55 and the light hunter 800 megapixel. If you compare it with the Redmi K70 Pro, you can find some difference. First is from the processor, Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 is used on K70 Pro, but for K70 Generation 2, and screen size same 6.67-inch 2K display resolution. And also another difference comes from the camera. The K70 Pro is used in 50 megapixel and 50 megapixel portrait lens, and also the 12 megapixel wide angle. So this is the difference, biggest difference, the camera and the processor. And also the battery is same 5000 big battery with 100 watt fast charging. Also about the dimensions, same 168, 160, 74 and 8.21 length, width and thickness. So this is the same for dimensions. Also we can get a very simple camera test about the Redmi K70. One angle, 1 time, 2 time, and totally it support 10 times zoom performance. You can check it. So for the K70 Pro, I think it's the most cost-effective Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 smartphone. Because of K70 is really a very cost-effective, generally speaking, if not mentioned about the Generation 3 Snapdragon 8 processor. Because if we compare these two devices, the biggest difference can just come from the processor and the camera. So if you don't play it for heavy use, I think the K70 Pro is the best choice. And also for the processor, both of them support the 4nm purchase technology and the UFS 4.0 and LPDDR5X. So most of them are same. And the weight also same, 209 grams, no big difference. And also the K70 is used the 2 megapixel macro lens. So yes, thanks for watching. This is my simple video about these two devices, and it's the 10 video for more cool gadgets from here. Bye bye.